Hey, what's up guys, it's Mac and we're back with another tech review video. Today we're going to check out the Beats EP on-ear headphones by Beats by Dre. We're going to unbox it, check its physical review, run through its features, and of course do some sound and mic tests. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video. Now let's check out what's in the box. So far, this is one of the most awesome unboxing experience I ever had. It gives you a real excitement while opening the box. The first thing you'll see is a soft pouch, and inside it, it's the headphone itself. And over here, you'll see some documentations. Other than that, there's nothing more. Priced at $130 according to beatsbydre.com, 4,499 pesos in lazada.com, shipping included. And if you want the link that I got this from, please check out the link in the description below. For now, let's check out some physical overview. The build is screaming out its premium quality, and even more so as soon as you get hold of it. The padding on the top is made out of rubber and it feels very comfortable. It has a decent amount of pressure to make sure it fits most people's head. It also has a right and left indication so that you will know which ear cup you should place the headphones when you wear it. But for me, it doesn't really matter. The headphones are adjustable, but it doesn't have any clicks. It simply slides up and down with a very good grip. The ear cushions are very soft and very comfortable, and it can swivels a little in all directions. On the back of the ear cups is where you will see the Beats logo, and around it are metal that connects the ear cups to the headband, which is a very nice aesthetics. The cable is too thin in my opinion, and it is permanently attached in the left ear cup. The cable, it's not that long and not too short either, which is a very good thing if you'll use it for travel. It also has a one-touch button to control your music and manage calls. Now let's check out some specifications. It is lightweight and very comfortable, and I could wear this for like hours. I'm not really a fan of on-ear headphones, but this one makes me think otherwise. It has a very nice comfy feel, especially with the swivel mechanism that this one has. There's also an inline control especially designed for iOS. There is a volume up and down and a multi-function to play and pause. A quick press will answer or end call, and a long press will bring up Siri. 2 quick presses move to the next track, and 3 quick presses moves back a track. The only control that works in Android is the middle button to answer or end call, or pause and play music. As for the audio quality, this is one of the most balanced sound I ever tried. The bass is full without overpowering the mids and highs, and you can clearly differentiate the sound whether it be voice, instrument, footsteps, and many more. Now we're going to test the mic using an iOS app called Recorder Plus, and we're also going to try to record some Facebook calls. This is the sound of the headset's mic using Recorder Plus in an iOS device without editing. This is the sound of the headset's mic through Facebook call, and I'm recording it through OBS Studio in my PC. Just so you know that right at this very moment I'm playing a song in my iOS device, but you cannot hear it. So basically, this mic doesn't pick up any sound coming from the headset itself. In conclusion, the sound quality is perfect, the mic sound is awesome, and the easy button function is very handy, especially when you're using an iOS device. And most of the build is premium, except for the cable that is really too thin in my opinion, and this can easily be break if you're not too careful. I just hope it is detachable so you can replace it when it breaks. Overall, I love the headphones and will recommend it to anyone who has an iOS device on hand. If you want to hear good sound quality while traveling, I suggest you get one of these. So that's it guys. If you found this video interesting and helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and share it. If you want some more, simply subscribe as well as follow our socials down in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.